Hey, welcome back for our day 5 of Money Attraction Challenge. My name is Mitesh Khatri. This is Indu Khatri, and we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of our book, The Law of Attraction. This challenge is to help you make more money in your life and attract more wealth in your life with 11 days of challenge. Today is day 5. If you've not seen the earlier 4 days, the links are in the description below. Go through those 4 videos and then come back to this day 5. Ready? All right. So, what is day 5 challenge today, Indu?
Okay, today you need to write down. Remember, in day 4, we had written what we got free.
Yeah.
108 things we got for free.
Did you do it?
Completely free. I hope you did it. If you did not do it, go back and do that first and come back. Okay. Now, today we are going to write down what have you bought with money.
खरीदा क्या?
108 things you bought with money. You have bought like grocery, water, Airtel connection, internet connection, phone, laptop, table, clothes. There are loads of things we keep buying with money. You need to write down what have you bought with money. 108 things you bought with money. Just like last time, you don't have to stop at 108 things. I want minimum 108 things. You can go above it.
As many as you can. Now you may be thinking, why do I have to write what I have already bought with money? Here is the reason. To upgrade your frequency for money, you have to feel good about money. And many times we have forgotten how many things we have already purchased. And we are only thinking about what we cannot purchase in the future.
Exactly.
Right? And we keep living in that desperation. We keep living in that lack कि मेरे पास कम है. But we don't realize how much we already have. And it's easy to say this, but when you really feel it, that's when the frequency really goes up. So to upgrade that frequency, you truly have to take a notepad and write down. Until the next challenge, we want you to vibrate at the frequency of I have. हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, we are constantly vibrating at the frequency of I want. कि चाहिए चाहिए ये भी चाहिए वो भी चाहिए कब मिलेगा कैसे मिलेगा. And because of that, we are not able to attract our goals. How does law of attraction work? Feel, think, believe, and act as if you already have it. This particular challenge for today is going to help you to really vibrate at that frequency of how much you already have. But again, like last time, we don't want you to do this exercise only one time. एक जगह बैठ के नहीं करना है. Entire next 2 days until we come back with the next challenge. पूरा time keep thinking. What have I purchased?
मैंने ये भी खरीदा, मैंने वो भी खरीदा, something on those lines. Like you have the electricity which you are buying, you have the AC which you are buying, you bought, you have curtains, you have house, there are loads of things.
One time when you sit, when you look around you, you'll be able to easily write 100 things. I'm 100% sure.
Absolutely.
But as you're living your life for the next 2 days, you will suddenly realize, अरे ये भी तो है मेरे पास. You'll go down to your parking and you'll realize, bike तो लिखी नहीं, car तो लिखा ही नहीं, petrol तो लिखा ही नहीं. We buy so many things. You go to the restaurant, you buy food. Dressing table, so many things. Abhi, I'm sure some of you who are ladies are definitely looking at her hands. हमारी तो नजर जाती नहीं, आपकी तो गई होगी. So you must have bought some gold already, some jewelry already. लिखो, so much you have already got in your life that you have purchased. Remember, the last time we wrote things which we have got free. Here we are not writing gifts. We are writing things that you have already purchased with your money. Now you may have earned that money, or you may have got that money from as a gift or from your parents. Doesn't really matter. But it was your money, right? The moment somebody gave you the money, it became your money. I want you to feel you have so much in your life. And not that you have, but that you have bought it. You have purchased it. That's what we want you to feel in life. And that is why this challenge is very, very important. Ready to meet me in the next challenge? Then in that case, what do? Hit the subscribe button, then click on the bell icon, and most importantly, share this video with how many people?
With at least 2-3 people. And you know what the advantage of sharing? You can then attend this challenge and discuss it. And you can say, oh, मैंने 5 लिखे, मैंने 10 लिखे. You can discuss it.
See you soon in the next challenge, which will help you attract more money in your life. Tell us in the comment section, how did you like today's challenge? And how are you feeling just by the idea of writing this? And even after writing it, tell us how did you feel about this. Okay? See you soon. Next challenge.
Bye.
Bye.